Oil-free oven-cooked mutton kebabs are very easy to make, time-saving, and absolutely delicious. Must try this recipe and don't forget to like and subscribe. One kilogram minced mutton. Sal, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, kebab spice. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. 300 grams of onion, grated and squeezed to remove excess water. Half cup of chopped parsley. Tomatoes sliced, potatoes thinly sliced, capsicum sliced. You may add any vegetable of your choice. Add all ingredients to a mixing bowl and mix well using your hands until everything is fully combined and the mixture becomes sticky. Cover the mixture and refrigerate it for 30 to 60 minutes. After 30 minutes, wet your hands lightly and shape the mixture into kebabs of your preferred size and shape. Prepare all the kebabs at once. Lightly grease a baking pan. Arrange them in the grease pan with the veggies. Before baking, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and salt to taste and half a cup of water. Mix well, then pour the mixture over the kebabs. Cover with aluminum foil and cook in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. When the kebabs are golden brown and the vegetables are soft, remove from the oven and serve hot with your favorite dip or salad. Thanks for watching.